Hey guys, I've got here, this is a Potti314, so thank you Michael for this lock. Here is the key, nothing too crazy about the bitting on that. A lot of highs in the front, there's a low at the end and a very high number 5. But the keyway is the difficult factor here. I don't know if I can sort of illustrate it, but you've got like a crescent on this side and a crescent on that side, which sort of interlock a little bit. And if you're trying to pick, I mean, I've got this zoomed, so you can imagine this is my thinnest pick here. Or the thinnest, strongest I can even try and pick it with. And you are restricted by this top bit here, so you can only ever get that far with it, unless you want to try and do that and get around this other warding up there. It's a nightmare of a thing. I picked it last night for the first time. I mean, I've put a couple of hours into this thing. It's not been a, just giving itself up, and it's not been easy at all. Note from Michael: just an evil keyway. Have fun. Nothing fun about this lock, Michael. It's a nasty, nasty little thing. Right, let's get top of the keyway. Put a bit of zoom in there. Hopefully you can see that all right. Okay, so I had to bend my pick a little bit as well to sort of get around these few bits. Okay, so I've got a bit of tension on here actually now. So a little bit on 1 and 2 then. Nice little false set came 3 or 4, a bit further on 1. Counter rotation when I'm touching, I think it's 5 it must be. Let me just make sure. A little bit more on 1. So maybe that's like a gatekeeper, I don't know. I'm going to bugger this pickup, I know I am. I've had to straighten it several times already with the pliers. Okay, I'm going to try and stick my Peterson 3.5 up there, see if I can't get a bit of lift. Okay, it is 5, giving me the counter. Okay, hopefully that set it. It's an evil keyway. Michael, you're evil giving it to me, by the way. Pick bust in locks. It's the sort of lock you give to someone you don't like them. Okay, big click on 4 or 5. Oh, God. I'm obsessing about my pick. Okay, that felt better. Get a bit of height on it. Okay, nice click on 1, 2, deeper false set. Okay, nice one on 2. There's a spool, I think, there. In fact, I think there are quite a few spools here. Okay, it's close, it's close, it's close. I'd love to get this on camera quickly. I can move on from it. Why aren't you opening sunshine? Thank God for that. Right, let's get this thing open. So, what do we open on? 7 minutes we're on. Okay, so apologies, it's a little bit long. For what I'm sure isn't a spectacular lock, put it that way, but I'm extremely glad to get it open on camera, I can tell you. We've got a nice clip, so... Thank you, Michael. That was evil, evil, evil. Pick busting, nasty lock. But fun. I've had some good fun with this one actually. As long as I can salvage my picks, I'll be happy. Okay, so it's a 5-pin. We have serrations on the key pins. Okay, anything up in the plug? No, it looks clean actually. Let me take this focus off. Okay. So spool in 1 and 2. Yeah, that was my problem, spools. And that nasty keyway. So they're all spooly. And the last one is a serrated. Nice little pin, that. So yeah, not as easy as I thought those pins were. The way you just said just an evil keyway. There's also some tricky little pins to contend with as well. So the keyway obviously is the biggest thing. Right, so down the bottom, serrated, standard, serrated, serrated, serrated. Now they've only got 1 serration on, so it's nothing too challenging. See it there? And then at the top, so we just got spool, 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 and then serrated, bit of a light GG type thing at the end there, number 5. Yay, it's done, it's done. I don't have to do it again. I can put it in the pile of done locks. Thank you, Michael, for this very, very, very challenging lock. I wonder if I can show you a little bit closer now. Get a bit of light on the subject. No, well, you got the picture anyway. I'm not going to waste any more of your time showing you that. But yeah, nice one. Thank you, guys. Get on with something else. I've got loads of locks I need picking. Thank you ever so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Catch you all very soon. Take it easy. Be good.